Right, hello. Episode 74. I had the week off. Videos last week. Apologies for anyone offended. But yeah, busy weekend, didn't do one. So this is episode 74. It's the Tuesday after Easter. So these three shells and bits and bobs that you're looking at now is what I've bobbed in the mould the last day. Was it the Thursday last week? So a bit of a catch-up week on these, as well as getting new stuff in the press for the current orders. So I'm going to start off with these. We've got a pair of 13-inch blank super ply at the minute, so they need turning into the finished thing. So that's one job. Got a 16-inch ready ply birch shell there that needs cutting down. That's just going to be a 16 by 3. On our website drumshellsuk.com you can purchase shamanic drums, and I'll say right now I know nothing about them other than lots of people started asking me for shells. So there is a place on the website where you can pick up various size shells, various diameters, all at 3-inch depth, with an edge on one side, a bearing edge on one side, and then you do the headwork yourself. So that will be that. So obviously you can see that it's a bit deeper, so there'll be a couple of spares if anyone needs one. This in the middle, that's 12-inch birch, so there will be some spare in that, so I think it'll be 12 by 5. And this will be a vintage style. It's a 14-inch. It needs cutting down to size, and then there the rings sat on the top, they need fitting. So that is going to be the first day's work really. So I filmed some bits of this, and then we'll see what's next. Right, so where are we up to? Okay, so that was 12-inch, that's been cut down, 12 by 5. That one at the top there is also 12 by 5. That is available. That was the offcut. Made it bigger just to get 2 out of it. So it's a 12-inch by 5-inch depth, 6mm thick shell, all birch, and I think that's 60 quid, £60 for that. That'll make an awesome little snare drum. So £60 plus shipping. If you want that, let me know. This has been cut down. This is the 16 by 3. So that'll be a shamanic drum. I'm going to put an edge on the top. I have maybe another 2 of those, like ready now. But they only take a few days to make. A couple ready spare, if anyone needs one of those. And I've cut that down to size with these things fitted, which is that's going to be my next job. So yeah, let's do that. Right, we are moving on. We are doing maple. So this is 10-inch maple shell. It's 10 inch diameter by 10.5 inch deep, which makes it a bit tricky on the smaller ones. But it's a bit more fiddling. You often lose a bit of ply, and they can snap on you when you're trying to bend them round. Not so bad on a 10, so hopefully it'll be okay. So yeah, this is the maple. This is the mould. Now this is for an undersized shell. I don't know if it's a sauna to go with the sauna kit or what. I'm not sure, but the customers asked for it to be undersized. So it's going to be 9 3/4. So to do that, I've put an extra piece of ply in the mould first, just to reduce that diameter down. I've measured it, and it should be about bang on when the first piece of the actual shell goes in. So I'm going to get on with that now, get this one on its way. Right, that's it for me. That is episode 74, almost done. I'm just going to continue now and put the snare beds on the shell. There is a duplicate of these that is waiting for a home. If anyone wants a 12 by 5, just let me know. It is ready to go. Other than that, thanks for watching. Click the like and the share and the subscribe and all that jazz. It would be much appreciated, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.